Well, good morning. Welcome to Debbie's Back Porch. So glad to have you with us. You know, I haven't posted a video in a while, and if you follow the channel, you may have been wondering, well, where is she? At least I'd like to think that somebody wondered where I was, but I've been right here, and I've been fine. Truth is, it's been way too hot to cook in my kitchen, and while I am retired, I am not really retired. I actually have a job, and it's been very demanding lately. But the weather's cooling off, and the job is slowing down, and I have some great plans for upcoming videos. So I thought while I was sharing where I've been, I would share where we're going. And as I had my coffee in my garden this morning, I thought that would be a good place for sharing. I'm getting my garden ready for fall. I love fall gardens. They're slower and less demanding and pretty. I've just planted 2 beds of cabbage, a bed of bok choy, a bed of carrots, a bed of beets. What you're looking at there is my pineapple sage. And there are lots of things still left over from the summer. You see some tomatoes in the background there that they're a little blighty, but still full of green tomatoes. So when they get ripe, I foresee videos on some special salads with the bok choy, and I have romaine lettuce planted and these tomatoes. And I've also planted some dwarf tomatoes, which are a new thing for me, that I plan to use in salads for your videos. And one of the videos I have planned is something I call Winter Chicken Dinner, which is a Sunday dinner that can be made from leftover rotisserie chicken. And then for a special meal, I have a new recipe for fettuccine in creamy white clam sauce. And if you look real close, you'll see in the background some chickens walking around. Oh wait, here's my strawberry bed. I'm planning on building an easy frame with bird netting to protect these, and I'm going to show you that in a video. And back to the chickens in the background. My brother is keeping chickens in my backyard now, and there are a lot of roosters. And my mother, who is 91, has agreed to teach me how to butcher chickens the way my grandmother used to do it, which is quite a bit easier than the videos I've seen on YouTube of how to butcher a chicken. And rest easy, we're not actually going to kill the chickens on camera. I want to teach you how to eviscerate the chickens, where my mother does. We're also going to be doing some dehydration. I want to make some jerky and some chips from the greens that I've planted. And over the next few months, we'll talk a little bit about long-term storage. If you've been watching the news, and no, I don't want to talk about the news, but if you lived through the beginning of the COVID outbreak, and if you've been watching the news over the last few months, you might suspect we might have some food shortages over the next year or so. And so there are some things we want to learn how to preserve long-term and shelf-stable so they don't require a freezer. So that's a little bit about what's coming up on Debbie's Back Porch over the next few months. I hope you join us. I hope that you will subscribe and give our videos a like. Thank you for joining us, and hope to see you again tomorrow.